Come on, go ahead.
कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो आज मैं
Great.
वापस आ चुका हूँ एक नई क्लास लेके। तो ये है
So
So
now
now
we
we
all can
all can
see
see
that
that
what is
what
the
is the
answer?
answer?
That
That
is
is
oxygen.
oxygen.
Now
Now
one
one
very
very
interesting
interesting
question I'm
question
going
I'm
to
going to
ask you.
ask you.
Stay
Stay
wide
wide
open
open
and
and
try to
try to
answer it.
answer it.
Everyone, are
Everyone,
you
are
all
you all
ready?
ready?
Everyone, are
Everyone,
you
are
all
you all
ready?
ready?
So I'm
So
going
I'm
to
going to
give the
give the
credit who
credit
is
who is
attending this
attending this
question for
question
the
for the
first
first
time.
time.
ठीक है
ठीक है,
उनको मैं
उनको मैं
क्रेडिट
क्रेडिट
दूंगी.
दूंगी.
The
The
repeaters.
repeaters.
If you
If
are
you
the
are the
repeater,
repeater,
it's
it's
okay
okay
if you
if
can
you can
answer
answer
it.
it.
Obviously, you have
Obviously, you have
learned and
learned, and
that's why
that's
you
why
will
you
be
will
able
be
to
able to
answer
answer
it.
it.
But if
But
you are
if
the
you are the
first
first
timer,
timer,
first
first
time
time
answering this
answering this
question,
question,
and
and
if it
if
is
it is
correct,
correct,
absolutely
absolutely
hats off
hats
to
off
you.
to you.
Okay,
Okay?
so if you
So
are
if you are
attending for
attending
the
for the
first
first
time,
time,
let's
let's
do
do
this
this
question.
question.
Will be useful to
Which of
experience
the
Which of the
following
following
senses
senses
would be
would be
useful to
useful to
experience the
experience the
presence
presence
of
of
air?
air?
nose, tongue, skin, eyes.
Come
So
on,
Come on,
find out
find
what
out
should
what
be
should
the
be the
answer.
I will
answer.
be doing it.
How many
How
of
many
you are
of you are
repeater?
repeated?
How
How
many of
many of
you
you
are
are
repeater
repeater
for the
for the
same
same
So
topic?
guys,
topic?
अगर आपको बोर्ड
How
पेपर
How
many
many
of
of
you
you
are the
are the
repeater?
repeater?
इंग्लिश
कितने
एंड
लोग
कितने
ये
लोग ये
क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन
कम्युनिकेशन
रिपीटेडली
रिपीटेडली
देख रहे
देख
हो?
रहे हो?
कुछ
ये
ये
सेशन
सेशन
एग्जाम्पल
रिपीटेडली
रिपीटेडली
देख रहे
चाहिए
हो?
देख रहे
और
हो?
पेपर का सॉल्विंग की वीडियोस
Right?
चाहिए तो
So it's
प्लीज़
like
It's
you
like
will
you
be
will be
obviously
obviously
will be
will
able
be
to
able
do
to
it.
do it.
वैसे भी
But
मेरे
But
I
I
would
would
want
want
that
that
जो
जो
बच्चे
बच्चे
पहली
पहली
बार
बार
देख रहे
देख
हो.
रहे हो.
वीडियो भी
Now
कवर
this
Now this
question
करेंगे.
is
question
for
is
you
for you
people.
people.
Try to
Try to
answer
answer
it.
it.
So now I will be telling you about bridge course. What is the bridge course? So bridge
In the
In the
course,
starting
starting
only I
only,
have
I had
actually
said
it
said
is
that
disclaimer.
that
It is for
you
20
you
have
have
to
marks.
to
identify,
identify,
If I
and it
take
and
is a
it
it,
is a
tricky
tricky
it
question.
will
question.
be final prize 9. But I am not going it because I have the first.
Find
Find
out it
out it
correctly.
correctly.
So if you want board paper, ये कुछ चाहिए आपको एडवाइस या सॉल्विंग तो आप बता सकते हैं. आई विल बी सॉल्विंग इट. बट कोई कोई भी जो भी वीडियो देखता है मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि कमेंट पे बता दीजिएगा. और मेरे पास बोर्ड पेपर पड़े हैं, ऐसे ही लाए थे.
So what
So
is
what
the
is the
answer?
answer?
The
The
answer
answer
is
is
going to
going to
be
be
not
not
notes.
notes.
जितने
जितने
लोगों ने
लोगों ने
notes
notes
कराया
करा
है,
है,
it's
it's
sad
sad
that you
that you
couldn't
couldn't
understand the
understand the
question
question
properly.
properly.
It is
It is
asking
asking
how would
how
you
would you
experience the
experience the
presence of
presence
air?
of air?
That is
That is
through
through
the
the
skin.
skin.
Because when
Because
the
when the
wind
wind
flows, when
flows,
the
when the
air
air
flows,
flows,
right,
right,
we all
we all
feel
feel
cold.
cold.
So it
So
is
it is
going to
going to
be
be
felt
felt
by
by
our
our
skin,
skin,
not the
not the
door.
door.
Nose is
Nose is
for
for
smelling
smelling
purpose.
purpose.
Now
Now
there are
there are
certain
certain
properties.
properties.
What are the
What are the
properties of
properties
the
of the
air?
air?
Colorless,
Colorless,
smellless,
smellless,
tasteless,
tasteless,
transparent,
transparent,
and
and
occupies
occupies
the
the
full
full
volume of
volume
the
of the
space.
space.
So
So
when the
when the
air
air
goes
goes
into
into
any
any
vessel
vessel
or
or
object,
object,
it is
it is
going to
going to
occupy the
occupy the
entire
entire
space. It
space.
is
It is
not
not
going to
going to
stuck
stuck
at
at
one
one
place.
place.
It
It
will
will
spread
spread
all
all
over
over
the
the
vessel.
vessel.
So I
So I
want to
want to
ask you
ask you
one
one
very
very
interesting
interesting
question.
question.
Now
Now
this
this
is
is
Olympiad
Olympiad
level
level
question.
question.
Everyone, are
Everyone,
you
are
all
you all
ready?
ready?
हम तो रेडी रहती है मैडम.
Let's go
Let's
for
go for
it.
it.
फेयर ऑक्यूपाइज आर इंटर.
पहले आप
पहले आप
अच्छे से
अच्छे
इसे
से
पढ़ें.
पढ़ें.
Please read
Please
the
read the
question
question
properly
properly,
and
If
then
and
air
then
you have
you
to
have to
answer.
occupies
answer.
an entire volume of a space, which box has air in it? Yellow dots represent the particle of air. Option A, option B, option C, option D. तो देखिए ए में एक ही जगह पे है पूरी जगह से छोड़कर, और बी में फिल के पार्टिकल्स है, और सी
One
में
try
Try
out
out
छोटे छोटे
answering
answering
it.
it.
Let's see
Let's see
who
who
all can
all can
answer it.
answer it.
If you are
If you are
able to
able to
answer this
answer this
question
question
correctly, it
correctly, it
means
means
that
that
you
you
have
have
gained that
gained that
space,
space,
right?
right?
Okay.
Okay.
So here,
So here,
come on,
come
go
on,
ahead, go
go
ahead. You
ahead.
are
You are
having A,
having
B,
A, B,
C, D
C, D
option.
option.
Opt
Opt
for the
for the
correct one.
correct one.
And
And
yes, you
yes,
are
you are
able to
able to
understand
understand
the
the
concept through
concept
the
through the
diagram
diagram
base,
base,
and
and
it's an
it's an
achievement for
achievement for
you.
you.
Great.
Great.
So I
So
would
I
want
would
to
want to
highlight
highlight
here
here
that
that
if you are
if you are
studying
studying
these
these
kind of the
kind of the
question, you
question,
will
you
be
will be
definitely
definitely
rewarded
rewarded
for the
for the
same,
same,
right?
right?
Come on,
Come
go
on,
ahead.
go ahead.
Great. So yes, air is going to occupy the full volume of the space. Now you have tackled so many questions in the science. I'm going to ask you one question from mathematics. One question which is like it is related to your mental ability test performance. I want to ask the question from new students. What is the number of triangle present in this figure? The student, those who are coming for this session for first time, apply for the mic. Yes, you can write even in the chat box. How many triangles are there in this figure? So those who are answering 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's not correct. The correct answer is 10. Now how it is 10, I would want to share with you some more tricks which is applicable. If I'm going to increase the number of partition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you know how many number of triangles are there in this figure? How many number of triangles are there? 21 triangles. But the question is how? कैसे इतना जल्दी solve कर सकते हैं हम इसे? How can we solve the question so easily? So now here I would want to give you an opportunity that बच्चों there is a special announcement for all the new students.
क्या
You are attending ODA class and this is the demo class. We have seen the demo. In the demo, you got to know that how the classes works, how you have to appear for the quizzes, how the video pops up, right? And ये सारी की सारी आपने features देखे. So did you come across these all features? सब लोगों ने ये features देखे, right? Mic and video. Yes, have you come across mic and video? Yes, this option is absolutely there in our platform. Mentor teacher. Now this mentor teacher is going to be provided when you are in the bridge course. I'll let you know that what exactly is the bridge course and how you can take the advantage. Tags, coins, ebooks and replays will be available once you are at ODA's class bridge course. So I'm going to launch the bridge course for all of you. अब ये bridge course में बच्चों, through this bridge course you will be able to attend 6 days classes. You will be able to attend 6 days class, 1 week class. What will be here? There will be 3 math sessions. Tips and tricks will be explained. Tips and tricks will be explained and in the depth, be it maths or science. E-modules will be provided, rewards will be there. Personal teacher is must. Right now you have come just for the demo session, right? So now you are not going to get any new topic until unless you are there in the bridge course. अगर bridge course में नहीं हो बच्चों तो आपको कोई भी new topics नहीं पढ़ पाओगे. And when I will be coming with the same topic because now that topic is for the new students, not for you. Homework and test will be also provided. You have the opportunity to gain